Now, for the admin settings, in here you can um, manage your admins. Right now, login is a super admin. Or a super admin, he or she can only do this: can delete an admin and register a new admin. So let us register a new admin. For example, uh, new admin one. Then make sure to provide a valid email address. Let us use mine. Ayan, my GNC. And then let us set up a password. Okay, it said new admin registered successfully. Refresh. See, it is right there. Now let us delete an admin. Let us delete admin. Delete.